Ooh, baby, we got all three indices in the red today with the Dow down a quarter point, the S&P 500 down over half a point, and the NASDAQ coming in heavy, down almost a whole point. It is Tuesday, September 23rd. Let's break down exactly what is going on in the stock market today. We had the Fed chair, Papa Powell, come out and say there is no risk-free path ahead. We have the labor market, unemployment is ticking up, and then we also have inflation, which is remaining sticky. So that's two very high risks. He reiterated that there will be a battle ahead. He also actually noted that stock evaluations are fairly high, which certainly threw some water on the bull's fiery train upwards. Now, we spoke about this yesterday. We saw all three indices up yesterday, but that was mainly artificially inflated through Nvidia. Nvidia was up over 3% and is heavily weighted in a lot of funds and programs and indices. We spoke about how we saw the VIX tick up while all three indices are in the green. That shows us that institutional investors and some of the smart money are hedging against a correction going into the fall. This is something we noted and something I did myself as a trader trading on UVIX. With that said, a couple of things to note going into the end of the month. This is the end of a quarter, and a lot of times we see what's called window dressing from institutional investors. This is hedge funds, portfolio managers, and what they do is they pad their report by selling underperforming stocks. They actually buy high performing stocks so they can show their investors they're exposed to what they want them to be exposed to. Now, this doesn't mean that they won't go ahead and sell as soon as we hit October, but a lot of times we will see some buying in the last week of a quarter due to window dressing. Wouldn't be surprised to see some buying and then a continued sell off in October. However, we don't know any of this for a fact, and I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but I like to tell you guys what I see in the market as a day trader, and I've been doing it for many years. I'm also very well involved in the housing market. So please follow, like, comment. I super appreciate it. I'm rushing through this video because I got to go to my next appointment. I love you guys. Bye.